What's the best way to build your program? Well, what's the best way to build a building? Do you build the entire thing and then try to stand it up? This approach may seem convenient, but it's prone to failure and makes it really hard to point out where the failure is. When you try to put too many parts together at once, the complexity of the system is too great. Too many little things can go wrong, and the sheer number of possible explanations makes it nearly impossible to figure out where the problem lies. So, how about if we make it in parts then? You can create every piece and make sure it works, and then put them all together. While very precise and rigorous engineering can work this way, a huge amount of care must be given not only to the pieces, but to the ways in which they connect. This tends to make things either very expensive or very slow, or sometimes very awkward. There must be a better way. How about an iterative process? What if we build the foundations first, then the first floor, then a couple more, and then a few more? After each iteration, each complete round of building, we test the structure to make sure it's still sound. We can build the entire structure from the ground up and know that it's stable and reliable at each step. If something goes wrong, we know where the problem is, because we're only adding one small part at a time. This same methodology applies equally well to programming. Take one small step and figure out how to solve it. Add it to the whole and test the step. The best way to build a complex program is not all at once, or in dozens of pieces, but rather iteratively. This approach allows you to extend your program as far as you need to, but always know that you're building on a solid foundation of code. If something does go wrong, you know where to start looking to find the error. One step at a time, iteration will get you there.